Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy, and quick. This recipe, easy, check. Quick, check. Healthy, for the soul. But I am known to make delicious pavlovas, and wherever I go, they ask me to make it. So now I'm giving you the secret. Egg whites, we have to crack them one by one because we don't want the egg yolk mixing with the white, because we will not be getting a nice fluffy texture. We just have to repeat the process all over again. First, we're going to start it on low until it starts to form little bubbles, and then we're just going to crack the speed up until it becomes nice and fluffy. And now, full on. These are the soft peaks I want. Sugar, I've got corn flour, vinegar, vanilla, and this I'm gonna add, and this will stabilize it. We know it's ready when you have soft peaks. Turn it over, it should not drop. Baking paper on a tray, and we're just going to do a circle. This is around 25 centimeters in diameter. Now I'm going to put the meringue. Follow the technique. First the base. And now with a spoon, we're going to spoon little balls around the circle. And then we're just gonna make sure we seal the sides. Just gonna give it a little pattern there. That's ready for the oven. It's gonna bake in the oven 120 degrees centigrade for around 1 hour 10 minutes to 1 hour 15 minutes. This has baked and cooled down in the oven. So the technique is, when it's done, you open the door of the oven just slightly, turn the oven off, and let it cool down. If you take it from the oven straight to a cold area, it will crack. I'm going to transfer it gently to the serving plate. I've got some whipped cream. You can put some ice cream if you want to. I'm going to make it with berries and strawberries, but you can put any fruit topping you want. Some blueberries. I've got a strawberry coulis. The recipe is on the website. Just a few sprigs of mint. It has to be crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside. Enjoy.